Hello, I'm Harsh Kodari from Team EcoStep, and we chose sustainable cities as a primary sustainable development goal. We decided to solve the problems of rising carbon footprints in the cities. And I'll tell you why. Because according to recent statistics, about 17% of total carbon footprint is left alone by the travel and commutation sector, and around 0.56 tons of carbon footprint is left alone by each person in India. So that is way more. So we decided to create a platform that will help in reducing carbon footprint and also help in maintaining personal health at the same time. And a bonus point is you will get rewarded for every action you do on this app.
Hi there, I'm Abhishek from Team EcoSteps. Our solution is unique reward-based integrated solution which can help reduce great amounts of carbon dioxide emissions. Our solution is purely app-based and consists of unique and exciting features that touch different aspects of everyday commute life. People can open the app and straight away use our solution to monitor how much they have contributed towards reducing climate change. People can take advantage of the inbuilt pedometer we have built into it. Acts as a tracking system and an advanced pedometer system to keep track of their total steps and total pedals they have walked and have bicycled, and the total reward points that they have collected in doing so. People can use our CF calculator, the carbon footprint calculator feature, to forecast the amount of CF they will leave while commuting to and fro. This feature will also give best alternative of commutation which leaves the least CF to this place.
Hi, I am Priyanshu Agarwal from Team EcoStep. This app will provide free carpooling services. Instead, give points to both ride offerers and ride finders, which later can be renewed for N purposes. Rewarding system of EcoStep works like this. 1 point will be awarded for every 100 steps or pedals. 20 points will be awarded for each ride offered, and 10 points will be awarded for finding a ride. Moreover, points will be awarded to individuals based on their weekly carbon footprint scores.